right, we got one of the co-pilots with us now. It's time for super speed action. Hydraulic oil temp coming up, so that's good. Okay, preparing to service the John Deere 110. Got it inside, got my tools ready. Just gotta put the loader up. I forgot about all that dirt I had in the bucket. Oh man. Oh man, then I go and smack that light bulb again. Whoa. Probably isn't a bad idea. There we go. Now if it were to come down and hit. Now I realize that I think the hydraulic drain, the fill and the check are right there. This is actually probably going to be easier to service this with the backhoe off. Pull this, lift up the hood. There we go, we got a catch. I realized I should set the parking brake, just in case. Lock the loader controls. All right. Pop off the side here, which is two key pins, plastic. All right, it's right in the safe sound. Good. I bought it at around 1920, 1930 hours, I forget which. And the guy said he had just changed the oil at 1900, and it's at 1960. Leak or anything. All right. If I pull this, starts going nice and easy there. Engine oil filter. I do have a tool for that, but if you can get it by hand, why bother? Okay, we got M806419. Check. All right, we got John Deere plus 50, 1540. I think it takes about a little over a gallon, so I didn't buy a gallon. And also I have another tractor over there that could use a change. Good, close to the top. Time for the hydraulic fluid. It's kind of nice. I can get a whole 5-gallon jug under here. I'm gonna get the hydraulic filters off, and I just noticed that this one a little banged up. When you look at where they are on the back, it's not surprising. They sort of... Whoa! That was on there tight. I can see some very fine metal particles in there though. Well, never mind what I said earlier about the hydraulic fluid looking good. It is quite dark. That must, I don't know the last time it's changed, because it's not supposed to look that dark. Okay, we got the hydraulic filter on already, but this is the suction side of the hydraulic filter. I just wanted to show what normal high guard looks like. Pretty clear hue to it. Oops. Bit much. Put a little film oil on the ring. That other filter is just massive. Alright, get this suction screen off. I'm going to clean it off a little bit. Just pop it off. Okay, or not. All right, so obviously there's these things here. I got this magnet. I just wanted to see. Some of them come off. I mean, you can definitely see all the junk. All right. I blew it off with compressed air. Got most of the stuff off, but there's just still a few little things here. I don't know if I took this small brush.
Daddy, why do you want
Oh, to work on stuff. No. Oh, it's broken. Alright, got the cover and the O-ring all nice and cleaned up too. Got the face for it cleaned up as well. Okay, got all the drain plugs and the filters back on from the hydraulic filter. Now I gotta, right down in there, that's the fill and the check. So I'm really happy I took the backhoe off before starting to service it. And if I didn't take it off, I'd be inside the cab right now trying to fill this full of hydraulic fluid. There it is. All right, now for the front axle. On there a little tight. With the wheels on. So, here we go. If I was doing this outside, I would have just used the front loader to. I feel like the dentist. It looks like somebody worked on the brakes before and put some gasket maker back in. I was looking at this side too, and it looks like it has some gasket maker here, so they must have worked on the hubs. It's not standard. go. Whoa. All right, got two new ones. I don't know if you can see that. Donaldson. Pop these back in. I don't know what the hell it is. It's like insulation shoved up in the. Oh my goodness. Previous owner must have had a mice issue. Oh, it's good I looked in that. Poor tractor's sucking wind. Oh, this part looks clean. Insulation. Look at all that stuff in there. Big wad in there. Got that all cleaned out. It'll be interesting to hear what it runs like without all that stuff in there. As I was putting this back together, I realized it actually has a, whatever you want to call it, overflow valve that was wide open, sucking wind. But anyway, I pulled that overflow cap off and I dropped it down into the belly of the beast. So we gotta go on a search and rescue mission. There we are. Yeah, see that? Those are supposed to be like pursed lips. And that's wide open. Alright, I just stripped out this drain side, unfortunately. Come on, man. There we go. Ah, phew. I was hoping I didn't have to get any more aggressive. Look at that on there. So I'm pretty sure my front axle is not vented, which is why they probably had to redo those seals. And I have noticed that this one leaks on occasion. You can see the leaking there. So my plan is to take this and make it, oh hey, I was gonna say my plan was to make this into a vented cap, but someone already did. Someone already has. exactly the way I would have done it. There we go, though. Works. Alright, let's just put a little stuff around it. It takes high guard here too, which I find interesting. Unfortunately, this is a slow fall. To put on and then the coolant. I did the air filters too, and there was a mouse nest in them.
Oh boy.
Yeah, it was interesting. All right, we'll use a little bit of PC7 to hold that together. Some plastics. Well, hopefully this is the kind of plastic it bonds. Okay, I was going along greasing and realized we're missing a greaser. I don't have the size it needs, so I'm gonna have to pop one off then. Take it to the hardware store. I'm also gonna see if I can't find all the Zerks that need to be greased.
I love this town. You guys have an amazing church, but sometimes your friends are so far away. Church is too much for this. I remember when I was in high school, I had one of my great friends called Rob, and he was an atheist, passionate atheist, and I prayed for him, and I was trying to get Christian around him, and eventually I thought, he said, you know what, I'll check this out. So I thought, oh, what do I do? I'm going to check.
All right, baby. Give me the yes. Yes, yes, yes. It moved. Well, that screwdriver survived. Maybe I can turn it this way with hitting it. I might need to do this again. like moving a millimeter at a time with this thing. Oh, God. Oh my goodness. Why is that thing on so hard? The damage. Uh-oh. It's supposed to be the fuel drain.
Whoa.
Yes, on that ball. Oops. I don't know why it wasn't draining. Oops. Not as hard as the other one. Whoa. Look at that. There's junk in there. A couple bugs. Blew it out with the air hose. So we're good to go. Oh, we're just working on it. That's good. There was a good bit of cinnamon in there. There we go. I hear the bubbles. It's filling up that fuel filter. Okay. We got the crew.
What?
Asher, do you think Asher wants out?
Yeah. Whoa! Oh, this big hair! Oh, spin. Spin. Twist. Now.
Huh?
I want pussycat.
Whoa. Look at all that dirt.
What happened?
I don't think that's ever been cleaned out. All right, I think I got that all out from in there. That was a lot of stuff. There's still some on the floor here. I think I know what it was too. It was mulch. I bought this from a landscaper. So Dolphin or just had a lot of mulch done. Well, that goes in a whole lot easier than it came out. We got that cleaned up. All right, good. All right, so here's how this thing turned out. I left it inside for about 2 days by our wood stove, and I actually ran the tractor to load up that stuff without this plug in, so that was a mistake, but I think it turned out nice, this little cap. Just kind of sits there. I got this in and routed. Coming out there, pointing down. The only problem is I don't like this one. It's like a plastic tubing. And the issue is, it's got a kink in it already. I don't know if that's gonna prevent it from actually venting. I gotta go get a rubber hose, I think. Okay, I got this low profile design finished. Got nice and hard. All right, we're good with the oil. So now I threw the bird. The bird stuck in the barn. I chased it out twice, and it comes back a day or two later. Oh, there it goes. All right, well, I threaded it in 3 times, and every time it ends up pointing forwards. So that's interesting. That didn't really work. This stuff wasn't even flexible. You see, you just like have it and then you kink it. Not good. So now I got the better stuff. Thick walls. Non-kinkable. Alright, I'm sliding this thing on. Alright. Ooh. Well, that's pretty good. I just got a 6-foot hose just for the heck of it. Leave just a little bit of flex down there. And come up here. Across the air filter. Alright, I need 6 foot. Take care of that extra. No, I don't want that too long either, so there we go. So yeah, the idea with this is to take some of the pressure off the front axle seals and then hopefully not have to deal with them. So I guess that thing came in too late. The other side looks okay. No leaks there. And it's all over here too. Not sure where that would be coming from.
Could the leaks be why you're not getting as much power?
That doesn't look like a factory weld.